Let's see how to properly reset your Apple Pencil Pro by using your iPad. For now, I'm using iPad M4, iPad Air M4, but pretty much same process for all the supported models. The very first thing you need to do is you just swipe down here and make sure you turn down the Bluetooth connection and then open settings app, open Bluetooth. Here you can see your Apple Pencil. You just click the I button and click forgot this device and forgot the device. Now it's just disconnect from Bluetooth, but if you place this again, it will connected, still connected. So the thing you need to do is after you forgot this, you just come to the general settings and scroll down to the very bottom and transfer or reset iPad and reset and click on reset all settings. This won't delete any of your data or login credentials, anything. It is just reset the network settings and these things. So just click first option, reset all settings, reset, confirm that. Now just wait, calmly wait for 2 minutes. Okay, it's resetted. Now you can see it won't work. And if I open settings and Bluetooth, you can't see this Apple Pencil. If we place like this, now you can see. So it's on the connect page. So this is how it works. This is how you need to properly reset your Apple Pencil Pro by using your iPad. And if you want to know more videos about Apple Pencil Pro, you need to watch this playlist.